Trey Miller makes his way to Columbia Steel Supply, a sales and fabrication shop in Astoria, Oregon. Trey's an intern here, sharpening the skills he learned at MTC's Tongue Point Job Corps Center. Foreman Kevin Seeley has worked closely with Trey over the last 3 months, teaching him valuable welding techniques and other skills that Trey will need to succeed in his new career.
Just learning day-to-day business of how the jobs are from start to finish, rather than cutting a piece of metal and just welding it together.
I think it was a great experience coming here. I loved it. The other plates of metal around here.
Trey's next stop is a job at a fabrication company in Longview, Washington. He'll save up some money there and then go to Portland, Oregon, where he'll gain even more experience with the Iron Workers Union.
Today is my last day at Job Corps too, and the experience there was awesome. I learned a lot more things than I thought I could ever, because I never had this opportunity.
As for Trey's future in welding, Kevin says the sky is the limit.
If you get into this industry and you can go to school, you can learn it, and you can do a good job at it, there is definitely potential for work. There's more jobs than there are people to go around right now.